Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the BDFFLY television light emitted dial backlight system with HDMI 2.0 think box, and it does not work with a cam. That's better because it works directly with the HDMI system. That means you can dock there a device on it, and then it will be sync with the sound, and it will be sync with the screen. What is on your television screen? Immediately, it will be make a backlight, awesome backlight decoration with it. The RGBIC LED strip lights for television picture thing is up to 85 inches televisions compatible. Wow! Of course, smaller are supported too, because you can cut it easily. This 4K at 60 Hz working HDMI box captures the colors on the screen via the HDMI signal cable and automatically applies to our television backlight. No lag and full color synchronization with the screen is possible. We can customize the length of the light strip by cutting it. The light emitted diode light strip can be cut between every 3 LEDs, so it can be easily attached to the back of the television screen. The rear 12.5 feet light strip consists of 2 pieces and can be securely mounted on 4 sides of any 55 inches up to 65 inches monitor or television screen. Of course, smaller is possible too because you can cut it. We're using clips and adhesive to attach it, okay? But most of the time, as seen in this on the back side of this television, as you can see here, it is enough to use the LED strip, which comes with an adhesive itself included. Each side is connected by a flex cable. There are 2 sides. One is for the upper side and one's for the bottom side, and you have to install first the bottom side. It is like an L, 90 degrees, and then it comes to the upper side. The upper side is for the upper side of your television back screen, and the bottom side is for the bottom and the side screen. Easy. As you can see, you can do this better than me here. Yeah, I promise. So it can be easily fixed to nearly every television there. The light strip does not support repeated pasting, which may weaken the stickiness of the light strip. So take care and look first where you like to attach it. You can see where you can cut it. You have a sign for it, and there you can cut it easily, okay? And then it will work easily at this area. No prop for it. Then the HDMI Think LED Backlight has an HDMI Sync controller box that allows us to connect with the HDMI 2.0 sources. The HDMI or sync controller ensures a high accuracy of color reproduction through the light bar, unaffected by other lighting equipment. This is great for a better and nicer experience while you are watching TV. Make some awesome games with it. Use it for your PlayStation 5, for your PlayStation 3, for your PlayStation 4. Use it for your Xbox next gen console, no problem. Use it with your fridge. Use it with the Blu-ray player. Use it with any HDMI device. You can sync it easily by the sync box, and it is easy to operate too, of course, because you do not have to do so much. You have to look to the box itself. At the back side, we have a DC 12 volt power supply We have a USB port for the bottom area. You remember the bottom is the bottom side and the upper side on the left side or on the right side. And we have a USB connection area for the side side. And the side side is the best side of the life, ne? This is for the upper side and for the right or left side. And then we have an HDMI out and an HDMI in. HDMI, this is the source, okay? That means, for example, my PlayStation 5 has an HDMI cable included. And this HDMI cable I have to dock into our television. In this case, if I'm going to use this bar, we have to put the PlayStation 5, for example, into the HDMI in port of the box. Then, which is included, the cable of the HDMI out comes into our television. Job's done. That means the signal of the PlayStation comes into the box, gives some information about the screen, and the box will give this information to the television and to the LED stripes. Awesome. Really awesome. Then we have on the front side, we have PWR/mode button. We switch the button of the light strip. We were in work mode, we switch the button of the sync host. Then we can increasing the numbers of lights by pushing the plus button and reducing the numbers of lights by the minus button. We can select and modify the light strips with the SW button, or we can reset the light strip settings with the RST button. The SW and RST button are the same button. Then we have an IR signal received interface and on black adds checking of the video. Oh yeah. You can see it's easy and you can make an operation steps. We press the power button to enter into the setting mode. There are 32 pieces white lights will be on the horizontal direction and 18 pieces of the red lights will be on the vertical direction. So you can see what is the bottom and the vertical, the bottom and the upper side is connected where. We press the SWRST button to switch the light strip to set the red light strip is the current selected light strip, and we can plus or minus to increase the decreases of the number of the LED lights. Okay, we pressed again the power and mode button to confirm and return to the display work mode after setup completed. We reset the light strip configuration by all along pressing the SWRST button to setting the work mode. Okay, we turn off the power of the light strip with a long press of the power button. Oh yeah. The IR remote control operation is possible too because a remote is included. We press the mode button to enter into the setting mode. There are 32 pieces of white lights will be on for a horizontal direction and 18 piece light for the vertical direction. We press the SW button to switch the light strip to be set and the red light strip secure and selected light strip, for example. We press plus or minus to increase or decrease the numbers of the LED lights. After this, we press the mode button to confirm and return to the display work mode. You can see it's really easy, okay? We can press the cancel button to cancel the settings. We turn off the power of the light strip, pressing the power button. We reset the light strip to press the reset button. We turn on or off the black edge checking function of the light strip by pressing the PC button. You can see it's really easy. You can do this remotely by using the remote, or you make this on the box itself with the buttons. The standard here is the HDMI 2.0. That means your television needs to have an HDMI port. The maximum pixel clock is 600 MHz. The maximum data rate is 8 gigabit per second. The resolution range is up to 3840 to 2160 at 60 Hz. That's good. 60 frames in 4K. Awesome. Impedance is 100 ohm. The HDMI cable is a 1.5 meter HDMI cable, okay? And it looks really cool with the backlight is on, and it makes so much more fun because this is then the bigger screen for your imagination. And of course, it is a bigger screen. Yeah, the BDFFLY TV LED Backlight. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel soon.